What's going on, YouTubers? This one's not gonna be a micro scale garage. It's not really micro, but it is tiny trucks, 10 scale. I'm working on my wife's not working on it. I just started taking it apart. My wife's Gen 7 Pro, her Red Cat. I'm gonna try and put a light bar. I took the light bar off her roost, and I tried to make a light bar, but it was all janky. The holes were all uneven. So I made this little light bar right here with like 4 LED lights. And I looked down on the bumper and I was like, it's got 4 LED holes. So I'm going to take these 4mm LEDs and try and put them in there, wire them up to a resistor that I have right here. And then these lights, so this light bar is reversed, the negative and positive reverse. I already checked it out. And then I want to try and hook it up. Hopefully to her third. I guess her third plug would be okay. I'm not for sure if it should go to the third plug or if it should go to the that bind VVC plug, but I'm just gonna hook it up, try running into the third channel, and then hopefully she'll have headlights for Monday. Cause Monday, hopefully with the weather, if it's nice out, I want to try and crawl at this park in my city in Romulus. It's not that far from me. It's not that far from, like, Ann Arbor's a little too far of a drive for me, so I want to go to this. I think it's called Bitmere Park or Buttfinger. I don't know. Something. Park starts with an F or a B. Yeah, it starts with a B. Yeah. But this has been Anton Motley vlog, and see you guys out there on the trails. Hopefully we'll get a running video of the Bronco pretty soon. I gotta finish up some wiring on it. These extra speed tires with the wheel weights all the way around feels crazy. I'm thinking about swapping these and going outside today and running my Jeep so I can do a video with the Jeep, like full metal, especially with the wheel weights. But I think I might have to trim the body panels on the Jeeps in these tall tires. I haven't put them on there yet. But this is just a quick video. Hopefully 2 minutes into this video, and 30 minutes later I'll have headlights on her truck. I'm not gonna try and time myself like that, but I will say I'm gonna try and get her headlights by the time she gets off work. Alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. Love you guys, and as always, see you guys, RC anyway. God bless.